Today's video, it's a lot of different stuff. We sight fish for catfish and carp in the rain. Caught a bunch of different species. We've been feeding these guys a lot.
That's Jaeger.
Yep, Jaeger. And then also go check out Carson's series. He's gonna have a Florida series coming out within a week. And yeah.
Did you guys see that? Fish just jumped clean out of the water. Please tell me you guys are seeing this. There's so many carp right there. I'll catch them though. I don't know how deep that water is. I don't think I could get in it. Wow, those are some big carp. Oh, I got one. Oh wow, it's a catfish. Surprised this guy bit. Oh, come on, buddy. Wow, it's a fat little channel. It's not even that big, but it's fat. Look at that. Wow, he just attacked that. That is a future big channel catfish. I mean, he attacked that hard. Look at that. Just throw him back. Cool little fish. Let's see if we can catch another one. Maybe there's bigger guys down there. Just got a hit. Oh, it's another. What? Oh, wow. Oh, wow, 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 wow. That's a bigger channel. Not that big, but definitely bigger. Ooh, wow, look at that. That is a nice channel catfish. Phew. That one's definitely bigger. Hey, we're getting closer to our goal. All right, that's good. Wow, did you see the way that guy was pulling drag? Like, the fish right here are so aggressive. They must be hungry or something. Wow, look at that. One a little bit bigger than this. Oh my God, there's a carp right here. Look at that! I got that carp right in front of me. Look at that. Wow. This side looks way better for fish to live, better conditions, and there it goes. Awesome. This? Oh, it's another catfish. Let's flip it up without breaking our line. Oh, there it is. There it is. That's a nice one. This is about the same size as the last one we caught. maybe a little bit smaller. Fought like it was a giant though. Well, it's not that big, but it fought like it was. Oh, it just snapped my line. Dang it. It just snapped my line. I kind of want this hook back though. So I'm still gonna get the hook out. Come on, buddy. Make it easy for Carson. There we go. Just set that down, and there we go. This guy's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go down there and wash him off. I want to show you guys fish. Oh, well, I guess I am releasing him. Never mind. Yeah, that was just another little catfish. Nothing crazy. I actually need to move my bike over there.
Demolition dirty. Wow! Alright. Come on, bro.
There's a little muskrat over there. Just pulled in a little carp. He is little, but has beautiful colors on him. All right, here's the carp. We're just gonna give him a little release. Catfish and go down and get it. All right, come on. This is a nice one. I think this is a nice one at least. Ooh, all right, let's go. First fish. Hopefully I land it. Yeah, it's a nice catfish. Oh, all right, let's go up and get some pictures. Look at that. Nice catfish. All right, I just dropped him, but look at that. Just like a pound catfish, nothing crazy. It fought really well though. Yeah, first fish of the day. Let's go give him a release. First fish of the day, a nice fat channel catfish. Not very big, but he is very fat. There he goes. All right, guys, I am so bummed because I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording, and I pulled in this beautiful carp. I'm still learning all this GoPro stuff. I guess I wasn't recording. I thought I was, but I pulled in this nice carp, probably right under 2 pounds, I'd say. Nice carp, you know, nothing crazy. But it's always fun to catch these guys. I was saying how beautiful the colors on this one are. Like, its tail is bright orange. Such a cool fish. Let's get this guy back in the water. There he goes. What a cool fish. That is awesome. He has my bait already. Oh, it's a little catfish. It's a nice catfish. Come on. Oh. All right. Here's the catfish. Look at that. Just a little guy. Not as big as the last one at all. But cool fish. You already have one? I do. Oh wow, this is a bigger catfish. Oh, look at that. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but it's still really fun to catch these guys. All right, there's the catfish. Little small guy. I've been trying to catch a big one all day, but have no luck. Well, let's give him a release. There he goes.
Taylor was snagged.
I'm videoing Carson.
Yeah.
Nice. Taylor just pulled in a catfish. You want to reel that in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go wash it off in the water and then I'll come show you guys.
I'll rebait it for you if you want. I'll rebait it. Oh, actually, I don't know if we have any more
First
bait.
catch, finally.
Taylor caught the fish.
Yeah.
Carson is Carson is washing the fish off.
Yeah.
That's about the same size as the one I caught with Kay.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a good one.
This is the biggest one we've caught all day. I mean, the ones I were catching were way smaller than this.
Want to hold it?
Oh, it.
All right, well,
It's for some.
here. So this is the catfish. I'm gonna let Tyler hold it. Taylor doesn't want to. I don't know
Not a
why.
fish holder.
Look at that beauty. Want to hold it?
To him.
Taylor, nice, dude.
We'll name him
Nice.
Jerry.
Jerry. All right.
That's Jerry.
Should I go give him a nice release?
Yeah.
Can I?
Here's Taylor's catfish. He did not want to hold it.
Thank you guys for watching this video so much. We have a lot of videos coming out, especially in Carson's series and my series too. Make sure to follow our Instagram and our TikTok, and also subscribe and comment and like.